Dearest traders, we have NVIDIA 130 puts that we bought last week up here at the top of resistance. It came down. We still hold the 130. We have a bounce today on NVIDIA. It's down only 15 cents. It has a $2 range, but we continue to hold the 130s. They pay big. We will update you. You have a chance to get in on this trade by signing up today. Don't hesitate. 130 put options right here. November 15th. November 15th. 130 right here. You can see they're hitting 17. We bought them at $13. We're up $4. This is the daily, 60-minute and daily on it. It's struggling at a lower high resistance. That is the 130 put update on NVIDIA.